Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, all in all, overnight prices are unchanged to maybe a little bit lower, led by the wheat. As far as news is concerned, I think the bean and corn market's kind of on hold right now, waiting for tomorrow's USDA report. Market expects a record soybean crop estimate and maybe even a higher corn crop estimate. And so we'll have to see, if we're selling the fact tomorrow after the USDA numbers come out. It's interesting that USDA had a glitch yesterday, computer-wise, and they have not yet put out their crop ratings. They're supposed to do that at 11 o'clock our time. Yesterday's export inspections were okay in the beans, but kind of lower than expected as far as corn and wheat is concerned. So we'll kind of see how that unfolds. Selling in the wheat overnight had to do with the fact that the European weather model put some rains in western Russia and also New South Wales, Australia. The other models, all other models, do not show any of that rain at all. So again, some of the machines are trading headlines more than they are as far as reality is concerned. U.S. weather looks perfect for drying the Midwest out, and we should get into harvest maybe as early as Thursday in some areas. And looking around the Midwest, most crops, corn and beans, are ready for harvest. So we'll see how that all plays out. Florence looks like sometime Friday is going to be hitting North Carolina with big storm surge and heavy rains. So we'll have to see how that impacts people there and also crops. The U.S. attaché said that soybean imports to China is going to be down about 1 million tons from their previous estimate to 94 million tons. I think some people are even lower than that because of the ongoing trade war between U.S. and China. Funds yesterday bought some meal, oil, corn, and wheat. Still are short beans, oil, corn, and long meal and wheat. CONAB came out today and said that last year's corn crop was 81 million tons versus our previous estimate of 82 and USDA's 83. They confirmed 119.3 soybean crop and USDA is at 119.5. They're talking about already starting to plant some beans and full season corn in Brazil. So in general, we're just kind of waiting for the USDA numbers as far as crop production and S&Ds tomorrow. We'll be watching pretty closely some of their, especially wheat export numbers, and see if they make some adjustments to lower crops in Russia, Europe, and Australia. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.